Hare Krishna, Srila Prabhupada ki Jai. Welcome to ISKCON New Mahavan Nourishing the Soul series. Today's shloka is from Granthara Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 3, Chapter 31, Shloka number 1. Transmigration under the Lord's supervision. This is the conversation between Lord Kapila and Mother Devahuti. Karmana devanetrena Karmana devanetrena Karmana devanetrena Jantur deho papattaye Jantur deho papattaye Striyaha pravishta udaram Striyaha pravishta udaram Pumso retah kanashrayaha Pumso retah kanashrayaha Karmana devanetrena Jantur deho papattaye Striyaha pravishta udaram Pumso reta kanashrayaha Pumso reta kanashrayaha. Translation by His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. Srila Prabhupada ki Jai. Under the supervision of the Supreme Lord and according to the result of His work, the living entity, the soul, is made to enter into the womb of a woman through the particle of a male semen to assume a particular type of body. Karmana devanetrena Jantur deho papattaye Striyaha pravishta udaram Pumso reta kanashrayaha Pumso reta kanashrayaha. Karmana devanetrena Jantur deho papattaye Striyaha pravishta udaram Pumso retah kanashrayaha Pumso retah kanashrayaha. Please like and follow ISKCON New Mahavan on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube for your daily soul nourishment. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.